Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel again. Obviously we got Security Pikachu standing guard, ready to protect these snacks. And today we got strawberry tiramisu, Tokyo rich strawberry cheesecake, made only in Tokyo. We have this right here called Omatcha chocolate. And we have Kit Kat, peach taste though. So let's get down to it. Let's start this snack review one more time. I'm gonna start off with the peach Kit Kat. So as you can see, here's the box. Comes in 3 pieces. I think this was only like $1 if I'm not mistaken, $2. Here's the back. This is how it looks. Here we go. This is the peach Kit Kat. Haven't tried it before, but we're about to try it right now. Let me know what you think about it if you tried it. Do you recommend? Do you not recommend? Love the color though, it looks like Sakura. This is how it looks. And we're just gonna straight bite it. Wow. It almost tastes like a peach shoju, but Kit Kat. Obviously there's no alcohol inside, but if you ever had like a peach shoju, man, this is like what it tastes like. Just Kit Kat version. For the taste, it's different. Tastes just like peach. It gives like that peach flavor. I'm not too big a fan of peach, to be honest. Not too big a fan of peaches, but I did want to try this just because it sounded unique. Yeah, like as far as the fruit goes, I'm not too big a fan of peaches. But I mean, if you're talking about the peaches down in Georgia, that's a different thing. But I would probably recommend this. Sorry, I'd probably rate this like a 6. It's only because I'm not really too big a fan of the peach flavor, you know. So maybe 6. Yeah, I'd say 6. But if you love peach, this is where it's at. Now we're gonna try the Omatcha chocolate. We're gonna see how this tastes. It says right there, sugar, butter, sandry. I guess that's the company. This is the back. Open that up. This is how it looks. You got your matcha inside. And I think it's like a graham cracker, if I'm not mistaken. It looks like a graham cracker with matcha in the middle. Let's do a bite test and see how it tastes. Okay. So think of a graham cracker. It's not as sweet, but the sweetness comes from the inside, from the matcha. I feel like a lot of these would be good with your tea. I could see like drinking green tea and all that with this, but this one is a little bit bland. You do get the matcha taste, but it's kind of bland, to be honest. Besides the matcha, I'd probably rate this a 5, maybe 5 out of 10. Yeah, it's cool, but I think I'm good just with this. And then last but not least, we got the strawberry tiramisu, made in Tokyo. Tokyo Rarest strawberry cheesecake. I'm sure this is the same brand as the other regular cheesecake one, but just different flavor. I think this was about $2 more than the other one. I forgot how much I said was the other one, but if you go back to the other video, it's about $2 more. And obviously 6 pieces. Thought it was 9, but nope, it's upside down 6. The back part, look how nice that looks. It looks interesting. I'm definitely starting to crave it after seeing these pictures. Let's open it up. Alright, here it is. I'm gonna open it up. Nice packaging, nice wrapping. It's just like the other one. And this is how it looks. Looks exactly like the other. Looks exactly like the picture in the back. Tokyo Rarest cheesecake, as you see. The back. Let's try this bad boy out. Okay guys, it smells like strawberry cheesecake. And as you can see, the cheese in the middle right here. It smells exactly how a strawberry cheesecake would smell like. As soon as you open it, you get that hit of strawberry. Let's take a bite. Okay. Okay. It tastes good. If you're a fan of strawberry cheesecake, I'd recommend. I think you'll definitely like it. I'm kind of torn between the two, this one or the other one. This tastes like the ice cream, the strawberry short cheesecake ice cream, just in cake form. So to be honest, I'd have to give it a tie with the other one. But if you're a fan of strawberry and cheesecake, and I say strawberry and tiramisu, I don't taste the tiramisu in this at all, but I do taste the strawberry in the cheesecake. But if you're a fan of strawberry cheesecake, I would recommend this. It's a good snack. And I would definitely recommend each of these snacks with like a cup of green tea, or like a side of green tea. Trust me, it'll make it that much better. Let's finish this up. Last bite. And there you guys have it. Another snack haul from Japan. And in our next video, we'll be doing Tokyo Disney snacks. So stay tuned for that. You can't miss that one. I'm excited about